Assalamu alaikum and good morning. It's biology for class 10 and our topic is there, that is excretory system. Till now we have completed the processes, that is nutrition, transportation, respiration, and now what is excretion. First thing is coming like in nutrition we intake the food, in respiration the process of releasing of energy take place, means the breakdown of glucose occurs. Then due to from the transportation what happened, the oxygen and glucose etc reaching to each and every cell. Now during the metabolic reaction some waste are produced. Mainly the four types of waste are there in our body. One is carbon dioxide, second is water, third is salt, and then nitrogenous waste. Carbon dioxide is released from the body by the process of exhalation during the breathing. Water and salt comes out from the body in the form of sweat, and excess water also released in the form of urine along with the nitrogenous waste. So what is excretion? Excretion is a life process by which we remove the nitrogenous waste, okay, in form of urine. So excretion is the removal of the nitrogenous waste from the body, and the system which is involved in excretion is called excretory system. This is human excretory system. The main parts of human excretory system are one pair of kidney, one pair of ureter. This tubular structure is called ureter. This is urinary bladder and this is urethra. The first one is, that is kidney. Kidney, the main function of kidney is to filter the blood, to remove the nitrogenous waste from the blood. Okay, the shape of kidney is bean shaped, you can see over here, and it is one pair of kidneys located at our dorsal side. And when we look at the cross section of the kidney, we can see there are the two main parts are there. Outer part is called cortex and inner part is called medulla. So kidney is divided into the two parts, cortex and medulla, and each kidney is made up of several of tubules. Very minute tubules are present in kidney, that is actually the filtration unit, and that tubules are known as nephron. From the each kidney, when the urine is formed, the urine is bring to the urinary bladder by the pipes, that is known as ureter, and the function of urinary bladder is to store the urine, and urethra throw this urine out of the body. Now as I told you that the kidney is made up of the minute tubules called nephron. This is the structure of nephron. Nephron is also known as the basic filtration unit. The basic unit of filtration is called nephron. Nephron is made up of this, you can see the upper part, it is a cup shaped structure, it is known as Bowman's capsule. In this Bowman capsule there is cluster of blood vessel is there, that is called glomerulus. Then Bowman capsule open in a tubule, you can see here it is having so many curves, and then it has a loop like structure, a U-shaped structure, this is called Henle's loop, and then each tubule open in a collecting duct. So many tubules, many nephrons open in a collecting duct, and many collecting duct then open in their ureter. Okay, now how this filtration take place, how the urine is formed. First thing, the arteries bring the blood to the nephron. Many arterioles are, you can see the artery divided into arterioles. They bring the blood over to the Bowman's capsule and making the glomerulus, that is the cluster of blood vessels. Here due to the pressure, what happened, the filtration will take place. So excess water, nitrogenous waste, some amino acids, glucose etc will coming to the tubule. Okay, excess water, nitrogenous waste like urea, glucose, amino acids, some salt like sodium, potassium etc, along by the pressure difference they comes to the tubule, and this is now known as filtrate. Okay, the blood is not coming. What is coming here? Excess water, glucose, amino acids, nitrogenous base, etc., and it is moving to the tubule. These tubules are surrounded by the many blood vessels. Okay, then it is coming to the Henle's loop. Here what happened? When the water, amino acids, salt, means sugar, this salt like sodium, potassium, then the nitrogenous base, they all coming to the tubule and it is surrounded by the blood vessels. Then here the reabsorption process take place. Reabsorption means some from the filtrate, the things which is required by the body, means the water, then the salt like sodium, potassium, amino acid, it is reabsorbed by the body. So the reabsorption process take place here. Then here what happened? It is, as I told you, completely surrounded. Some more nitrogenous waste or some excess water, if it is there in the blood, it is secrete in the blood here. Okay, so two process take place. Reabsorption, the materials which is required by the body will be reabsorbed by the blood vessel, and the which is harmful for the body, that it will be secrete to the filtrate. Okay, now here in the now this filtrate convert into the urine because it contains only the excess water, nitrogenous base, and the substances which is not required by the body. It comes to the collecting duct, and this is now called urine. Okay, the color of urine is yellow because of one pigment present in it, that is called urochrome. So the main um, steps of the urine formation is glomerular filtration, which take place over. The second one is that is the reabsorption, and the third one is secretion. You can see over here the blood stream, the blood comes to the glomerulus. Here the filtration will take place in the Bowman's capsule. Okay, what is the infiltration? What is in the filter? Excess water, sugar, salt, urea, and other waste. Then it is going to the renal tubule. Then here the urea and waste and salt and water, whatever the waste is there, that is now forming the urine. This urine is then going to the ureter, then urinary bladder, then urethra, and then it is thrown out of the body, and urine is expelled from the body. In this way the urine formation take place and it is thrown out of the body. Here in the renal tubule, what happened? The water required or sugar or salt which is required by the body, it comes back to the blood stream. Understood, student? So what is nephron? Nephron is the basic filtration unit of the body, and what take place here? Here the urine formation take place. First the filtrate will come by the ultrafiltration. The filtrate will come to the tubule. Then here the reabsorption and secretion will take place, and then from each side of this tubule open to a collecting duct, and all the collecting duct then will open to the ureter. This is ureter. What is the function of kidney? To filter the blood. What is the function of ureter? To bring the urine from kidney to the urinary bladder, or you can say to pass the urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. What is the function of urinary bladder? It stores the urine for some interval of time. What is the function of urethra? It expels the urine out of the body, or throw the urine out of the body. So students, these are the main steps of the urine formation: glomerular filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. So I hope you understood what is excretion, the process of removal of the nitrogenous waste from the body, and the steps of urine formation is filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. And the basic filtration unit is, that is nephron, and it present in kidney. Okay, so all my students, have a nice day ahead. Stay at home, stay safe. Inshallah soon our school will open and we will meet again. Have a nice day. Thank you.